Good morning, children. Today we will start with English Reader. Take out your English Reader books. As you know that last week we have read this lesson number 3, Save Jamuni. I have explained you the lesson and we have done the back exercises of this lesson also. I hope you all have done. We have completed with the back exercises of this lesson. So today we will do the question answers. We left with this question number C, answer these questions. Today we will write these questions in our English 2 copies. So take out your English 2 copies. Take out your English 2 copies. On a new page, write the date. On a new page, write the date. Then write lesson number 3 on the first line. And name of the lesson, Save Jamuni, on the second line. Write the date, lesson number 3 on the first line. And Save Jamuni on the third line. Then we will start writing the question answers. Question number 1, you can write the questions from the book also. Now the question number 1 is, from the third line you will start. Who built their homes in the jamun tree? I will repeat the question. Who built their homes in the jamun tree? The answer is, the birds built their homes in the jamun tree. The answer is, the birds built their homes in the jamun tree. Second question is, why did the children call the tree Jamuni? Second question is, why did the children call the tree Jamuni? The answer is, the children called the tree Jamuni as it had purple jamuns. The answer is, the children called the tree Jamuni as it had purple jamuns. Now the next question is, question number 3. Why did the 3 men come to the village? I will repeat the question. Why did the 3 men come to the village? The answer is, the 3 men came to the village to cut down the trees. The answer is, the 3 men came to the village to cut down the trees. Children, write it very neatly in your book copies. Touch the lines and then write. The next question is question number 4. Who did Karan and Kareem go to for help? I will repeat the question. Who did Karan and Kareem go to for help? The answer is, Karan and Kareem went to their teacher for help. Answer is, Karan and Kareem went to their teacher for help. K will be capital of Karan and of Kareem also, because these are the names of the persons. So you have to write capital K for Karan and Kareem. Now the next question is, how were the trees saved? How were the trees saved? The trees were saved by the villagers. The answer is, the trees were saved by the villagers. I will show you the question answers from the beginning. You can write it again. You can check your answers once again. So we have finished with the reader book exercises. Now take out your workbooks. Take out your workbooks. English reader workbook. Now open page number 11. Open page number 11 of your workbook. Open page number 11 of your workbook. Lesson number 3. Save Jamuni. Again, whichever questions I have put a tick, these questions we have to do. The other questions on which I have put a cross sign, that question is not in the syllabus, so we will not do that question. So let's start with this workbook exercises. Question number A. Circle the odd word in each set of words. Now see, in each number, like in number 1, 4 words are given. Among these 4 words, 1 word is odd and the other 3 words are similar. Or you can say 1 word is different from the other 3 words which belong to the same category. The first one is oak, people, lily, ashok. Now in this oak, people and ashok are the names of the trees, whereas lily is the name of a flower. So we will circle the word lily. So this is the odd word among these 4 words. So we will circle the lily. Number 2 is pear, wood, plum, orange. Pear, plum and orange are the names of the fruits, whereas wood is not the name of a fruit. So we will circle the word wood. The next number 3 is bird, squirrel, horse, cart. Now see, bird, squirrel and horse, these are the names of the animals and birds, but cart is not the name of any animal or bird. So we will circle the word cart. Next number 4 is brinjal, beans, pen, tomato. Brinjal, beans and tomato are the names of the vegetables, whereas pen is not a vegetable. It is the name of a thing. So we will circle the word pen. Next is shirts, ruler, skirts, shorts. Shirts, skirts and shorts are the names of the clothes, where a ruler is not the name of a cloth. It is the name of a thing. It is not a cloth. So we will circle the word ruler. I will repeat the answers once again. Number 1, lily. Number 2, wood. Number 3, cart. Number 4, pen. And number 5, ruler. Now let's move on to the second question. Question number B. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. You can see in this box some 4 answers are given. And these 4 answers we have to see they will come in which blank. Number 1 is play hopscotch. It's the name of a game. Play hopscotch. Write the spellings correctly. You can write the spellings from here itself. Hopscotch. Number 2 is ride a bicycle. Bicycle. Number 3 is sit under a tree. The answer is tree. 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 And then number 4 is fly a kite. 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 I will repeat the answers once again. Number 1 hopscotch. Number 2 bicycle. Number 3 tree. And number 4 kite. Now question number C is not in the syllabus, so I have put a cross over there. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Now we will do question number D of this grammar fun exercise. Underline the special names in these sentences. Karan and Kareem lived in a village. What we have to do is we have to write the capital letters. And we have to underline the special names also. So we will underline Karan, Kareem, because these are the names of the person, so these are the special names. Then number 2, Priya lives in Mumbai. Priya is the name of a person and Mumbai is the name of a place. So Priya, P will be capital and Mumbai, M will be capital. So we will underline Priya and Mumbai because these are the special names. Now number 3, Asad is reading a book. Asad is the name of a person, so A will be capital and this is a special name, so underline Asad is reading a book. Full stop. Number 4, Alia's uncle is coming on Monday. Alia is the name of a person and Monday is the name of the day. So these are the special names. So we will underline these special names. Alia's and Monday. A will be capital of Alia's and Monday M will be capital. I will repeat the answers once again. Karan and Kareem lived in a village. Karan and Kareem, K capital of both these names, and we will underline both these names as these are the special names. Priya lives in Mumbai. Priya, P capital and Mumbai, M capital. Underline Priya and Mumbai. Asad is reading a book. Asad is the name of a person, A capital. So underline Asad. Alia's uncle is coming on Monday. Alia is the name of a person and Monday is the name of the day. So these two are special names. So we will underline Alia's and Monday. Now the next question is, fill in the blanks with the special names from the box. Now you can see in this box, some special names are given and all these special names are beginning with a capital letter. Because special names always begin with a capital letter. And here some few sentences are written. We will read the sentence and we will find out the answer from this box. I am a children's magazine. That is Chanda Mama. You can write the spellings from your book itself. The spellings are given there in your books. C will be capital. C will be capital. CHANDAMAMA. Chanda Mama. Number 2. I am the capital of India. Which is the capital of India? New Delhi. New N capital and Delhi D capital. NE new, NEW new, DELHI Delhi. I am the holy book. Bible. BIBLE. First letter B will be capital as it is the name of the holy book, as it is a special name. So B will be capital, BIBLE, Bible. Then number 4 is I am a river. Kaveri. KAVERI. K will be capital, KAVERI. Then number 5, I am a month. So the answer is February. February, F will be capital. FEBRUARY. February. I will repeat the answers once again. Chanda Mama, C capital. New Delhi, N and D capital. Bible, B capital. Then Kaveri, K capital. And the last is February, F capital. So this was all there in this lesson. Number 3, Save Jamuni. We have completed with exercises from the reader book as well as from the workbook.